Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add someone on iMessages with their email or phone number. So this is very easy. Just follow the steps mentioned in the video and you'll be good to go. So it's more like a theoretical uh, tutorial, I can say that. You need to understand a few things. In order to add someone on iMessages, first you have to make sure that they also have an iPhone or an Apple device. That's very important. Second thing is that you need to make sure you have their email and their phone number both saved. So let me just show you one thing. There's this account. Now I have the email of this account or this contact, you can say that. I have their email on my phone and I also have their phone number. And the phone number that I have is always associated or linked with this email. That means the Apple account or Apple ID uh, they have this email for that ID, and they have that number which I have saved for this ID as well, for this Apple ID. So you have to make sure you have their email and their mobile number, and both of these things are associated with their Apple ID. So let's just message them. So you can see that I'm going to search their contact. You can see there's this blue font on their contact. That means they're available on iMessage. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to send a message. Although I've sent many messages in the past, but here you go. I have sent another message and it's delivered to them. That means it's completely okay and they are available on iMessages. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.